Hey there, future marketers. Welcome SkillCareer to this complete beginner's guide on paid advertising. Especially for students who want to learn digital marketing, explore new career paths, or maybe even start earning through freelancing or side projects. In this session, we're diving deep into the world of paid ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads. We'll cover what they are, how they work, and how you can start using them even if you're starting from scratch. Think of this video like your first digital marketing class, minus the boring textbook. Let's kick things off by understanding what paid advertising actually is. In the simplest terms, it's when businesses or individuals pay platforms like Google, Facebook, or Instagram to show their content to specific audiences. Instead of waiting for people to find you organically, you jump the line and appear at the top, in search results, on people's feeds, or in their stories. It's fast, targeted, and if done right, super effective. Now, if you're a student wondering, why should I care? Here's why. Learning paid advertising opens up tons of opportunities. You can work as a freelancer, help small businesses grow, build your own brand, or get hired as a digital marketer, a skill that's in massive demand right now. It also gives you practical, real-world experience that you can't always get in college. Plus, you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to start. All you need is the willingness to learn and a little bit of curiosity. Let's start with the giant in the room. Google Ads. You've probably seen these all the time. When you search for something like best budget phone or laptop for students, the first few results at the top with the little ad label, that's Google Ads in action. With Google Search Ads, you target specific keywords, things people are actively searching for. It's like placing your offer right in front of someone who's already looking for it. That's powerful. Then you've got AI to Google display ads, which are image-based ads that show up on millions of websites in Google's network. You've seen these on blogs, YouTube, or even apps. They're great for brand awareness. Speaking of YouTube ads are part of Google Ads too. Ever watched a video and got a 5-second skippable ad? That's pre-roll video advertising, and you can run those too. Imagine making a video ad for your own product, portfolio, or YouTube channel and running it to students in your city. Yep, it's totally possible. To run Google Ads, you need a Google Ads account, a budget, and a basic idea of your goal. Is it traffic, sales, or awareness? Google's interface might look intimidating at first, but they offer step-by-step tutorials, and once you run a few campaigns, you'll start feeling confident. Start small. Even $5 to $10 per day is enough to test and learn. Next up is the social media king, Facebook ads. Facebook advertising is super beginner-friendly and affordable. What's amazing about Facebook is how deep its targeting goes. You can show your ads to people based on their age, location, interests, job titles, even relationship status. Want to advertise a resume-building workshop to final-year college students who like LinkedIn? You can do that. There are several types of Facebook ads. The most common are feed ads, those you see while scrolling, story ads, and video ads. If you're creative and like making visuals or short videos, Facebook gives you the perfect platform to show off. Plus, with tools like Facebook Ads Manager, you can design, test, and launch campaigns directly from your laptop or even your phone. Let's not forget Instagram ads, which run through the same system as Facebook ads since Instagram is owned by Meta. Instagram is a visual-first platform, ideal for promoting fashion, education, art, courses, or any creative projects. You can advertise in stories, reels, explore page, and regular feed posts. What makes Instagram super effective is its audience, younger, engaged, and mobile first. If you're targeting Gen Z or millennials, this is your zone, and you don't need a fancy camera to create good ads. Even phone shot videos and Canva-designed graphics can work wonders if your message is clear. Want to promote your portfolio, grow your personal brand, or advertise a digital product? Instagram ads give you the reach and engagement you need, so how do you actually start? First, pick one platform. Google, Facebook, or Instagram. I'd recommend Facebook or Instagram for most students since the interface is simpler, and you can start testing with just RZ100 or $5. Create an ad account, set your campaign objective, define your audience, design your ad, and hit publish. Don't worry if your first ad flops. That's how you learn. Try different audiences, images, or text. Keep testing. Here's a quick tip. Always track your results. These platforms give you data like how many people saw your ad, clicked it, or converted. If you're advertising a course, a product, or your resume, track which version of your ad performs best. This data is gold, and being able to read it makes you a 10x better marketer. As a student, you can start using paid advertising to promote your own work. Got a design portfolio? Use Instagram ads to drive traffic. Selling handmade crafts or offering online tutoring. Facebook ads can get you clients. Want to boost your YouTube channel? Try YouTube ads to grow faster. The applications are endless. You can also use these skills to freelance. Small businesses in your area, cafes, gyms, boutiques, often need help but don't know how to advertise. You can offer to run basic ad campaigns for them and get paid. Once you have 2 or 3 success stories, your portfolio builds itself. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn are full of ad management gigs for students who know their stuff. If you're thinking long-term, paid advertising is a great career path. Digital marketers, media buyers, PPC specialists, these are all job titles in demand right now. And the best part? Companies care more about your skill than your degree. If you can show that you've run successful ad campaigns and understand platforms, strategy, and data, you're already ahead of most applicants. Here's what I suggest. Start by learning the basics from free resources, like Google Skillshop for Google Ads, Meta Blueprint for Facebook and Instagram, and YouTube. Then create a simple project, maybe advertise a YouTube video, your blog, or even a friend's small business. Learn by doing. Track your results. Repeat. If you can show that you've created traffic, generated leads, or made a few sales from a paid ad campaign, that's real experience. Add it to your resume, talk about it in interviews, or even turn it into your own side hustle. You don't need a big agency or certification to start, just motivation, a laptop, and creativity. So let's recap. Paid advertising is the fastest way to get visibility online. Google Ads gets you in front of people who are searching. Facebook ads lets you target by interest and behavior. Instagram ads help you reach a younger, visual audience. As a student, you can learn, experiment, and even make money, all while building real-world skills. Whether your goal is freelancing, personal branding, or landing a job, paid ads can help you get there faster. Thanks for sticking with me through this deep dive into paid advertising. I hope this gave you some clarity and confidence to get started. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and drop your questions or success stories in the comments. I'm here to help you grow, one ad at a time. Until next time, stay curious and keep experimenting. Your journey as a digital marketer starts now.
If you're someone who enjoys creativity, data, and the thrill of real-time results, then a career in paid advertising might be the perfect path for you. Paid advertising, also known as performance marketing, involves running online ads on platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn to drive traffic, sales, or brand awareness. Every time you see a sponsored post or an ad before a YouTube video, that's paid advertising in action. So why is this a great career? First, demand is huge. Every business, from small startups to big brands, wants people who can manage ads effectively. And guess what? Companies are willing to pay well for it, especially if you can bring results. You could start as a PPC executive, digital marketing associate, or ad operations analyst, and move up to roles like performance marketing manager or media strategist. As a student, you can begin by learning how platforms like Google Ads and Meta Ads, Facebook and Instagram work. Learn to set budgets, target audiences, write ad copy, and track results using analytics tools. The best part? You can practice with small budgets or even run campaigns for local businesses, college events, or personal projects. This field is perfect for people who enjoy problem-solving, continuous learning, and creative testing. You'll work on A/B tests, manage landing pages, analyze metrics like CPC, CTR, and ROI, and constantly tweak your strategy to perform better. If you're someone who enjoys seeing direct results from your work, like increased sales or leads, you'll love it here. Plus, this career offers flexibility. Many ad professionals work freelance or remotely. You can even build your own agency or work as a digital nomad. And with certifications from Google or Meta, you can boost your credibility and land high-paying roles even without a formal degree. In short, paid advertising isn't just about ads. It's about influence, creativity, and data-driven impact. Start small, stay curious, and you could build a rewarding career helping businesses grow in the digital age.